Hello everyone, my name is Mark from Kenya and I'm going to walk you through Jamani app. So Jamani is a farming companion that grows the crops along with farmers and helps them to achieve maximum yields from their farm. So this is the first screen that you see when you install the app. Then after that you can choose to continue with email. So when you click that, you are taken to an authentication screen. So you'll have two options here. You can either sign up or create an account. So I'm assuming as a new user, we have to sign up. So going to the sign up tab, we have to choose a username. So a username like maybe smart farmer. Then an email address. Let me use my personal email address. Then a password of course. So I'm sure it will not sign up because there is already a user with that email address. So it has failed. So let's log in because I already have an account with that email address. So as you can see, I've managed to log in successfully. So when you log in, you have got 4 tabs. The first tab is the home tab. Then we have the second tab called Jamani help. Then the third tab farm health, and the last one is the user profile. So over here on the home tab, you can see your farm data. So over here there is data being fetched like the irrigation and the amount of water that the farm has managed to dispense. You can also see your farm data like the current light intensity, carbon dioxide levels, air temperature and air humidity. All these are air data, these ones, the 4 of them. Then you also have an opportunity to look at the soil data, that is soil temperature, soil moisture, NPK and soil pH. All these are being computed from satellite imagery powered by Gemini. So over here on the second tab, we have a chatting console called Jamani help. So with Jamani help, a farmer can ask for any help concerning his farm and it will help the farmer to get the best response or the best advice. So in our case, maybe I'll ask Jamani how to grow, let's say tomatoes. How to grow tomatoes. So I've asked it a simple question. So let's see if it will respond and the response it will give. So as you can see, it has responded how to grow tomatoes, a step-by-step guide. So with this information, a farmer can use to maximize his yields. So it stores these charts. As the farmer grows the plants, it is able to recognize the patterns of the farm and give the farmer the best advice going forward so as to maximize the yields. So in addition to chart help that a farmer can get from Jamani help, a farmer can also upload an image of the crops in his farm. So over here I've downloaded some images and I want to see if it can tell the problem with them. So I'll try out this and I'll tell Jamani comment on the health of the crops. So what I expect is Jamani to get to identify that image and tell what is wrong with the crop. So it has returned a response. The crop appears to be in poor health. Many of the leaves are wilted and discolored, suggesting that they may be suffering from disease, lack of water. Some of the plants are also showing signs of stress. So let's try with another image. Let's try with tomatoes this time round and see if it will identify. How can I solve the problem of the problem so I've given it an image of tomatoes that are not healthy, and I want to see if it will recognize the kind of disease that is affecting them. So here I've asked it for advice on how to solve that problem. It shows that the image shown is of tomatoes that have been affected by blight. So it has identified that they are tomatoes and they are affected by blight. And indeed you can see that was an image of tomatoes that I gave. So over here on this other tab, we've got the farm health data is still not yet complete, still developing it. And the last screen is the farmer profile. So you can see your profile picture and about the farmer himself, and you can log out. So that's it. That's all about Jamani, and I hope that it will help farmers out there to grow their crops and get the world out of food shortage. Thank you.